sniffing that. The dog was like, there were some Americans in there, and he just left. And no barking, no sneezing, nothing. Yep. After that, we stay safe from them. There's a lot of them like this. And of course, it's not like this. It's more like in the jungle somewhere down there, surrounded by the trees. It's really, really hard to spot. Okay? Like that. Okay. But it's not like, because it's not like a total war. It's more like hit and run. So they're gonna come.
Okay, so everyone just come here, let me show you.
And then run away.
And so, and this is model tattoo of the Gucci fighter. And you see the Gucci fighter, that's where the green uniform, the same color of the jungle. So they can easily come straight into the jungle and the enemy they can see them. And let me show you one more thing about the belonging. And you can see about this cup. This cup is very popular for the people in the south of Vietnam. And by this cup, our local people will keep the function just like a bag. And so we can carry the food and the weapon on this cup, and the mother they can keep the baby on this cup. Yes, and for the next one, for the big cap, we can recycle from the parachute of the enemy. And at the night time, it will become the blanket for the Gucci fighter. Yeah, we can do that from the enemy, the parachute of the enemy. Yeah, and for the final, this is one of the rubber sandal. The rubber sandal we can recycle from the tire, the wheel of the damaged vehicle, and then we can have rubber sandal just like this. And later I will show you how we can make the rubber sandal from the tire. Yes, for later. Okay, now we can take a photo with them and then we can.
That spikes your leg.
Okay. A lot of different mud traps.
Bingo. Ooh, ouch.
Oops.
We have to tie up
They put it up
When you
high.
open the door,
When you
pulls
open
the
the
rope.
door,
Okay.
it's activate the latch right there, and from
Stay
the
away.
top it swings down and
Good luck. You're in trouble.
scary one. Right.
Get on.
Anyone want to try that? You can just stand right there and I'll pull it up.
All right,
come in.
have a look. Okay. Yep.
Go down, get
Yes, I make it bombs, weapons.
Oh, she's making the spike.
Yes, make it weapons for fighting.
You see the blacksmith on the right side, and this lady